Oh my gosh, I need to screw my head on today. I tried to start the car without keys. That's always a fun start to the day. Yay! Well, good morning and happy Vlogmas day 17. I'm just gonna get out the garage first. I have a few errands to do this morning. I need to go visit my PO box and also post a parcel. I was hoping to get out a little bit earlier this morning, but I kind of slept in because I really needed to sleep. I've just been so on the go over the last month, I think, and it's all just beginning to catch up to me now, but in a good, happy way. You know how like sometimes busy makes you happy because you're so productive and you know life just keeps going and it's like, oh yeah, okay. So I'm grateful to be busy and to be tired, but at the same time it's like, oh, I just want to sleep and just stop and just do nothing. But unfortunately that's just not life at the moment. It's just gone 10:30. So I'm hoping that shops aren't too busy. After I go visit my PO box, I was hoping to maybe, you know, just do a bit of a mooch around and maybe continue a little bit with my Christmas shopping, because I've done a little bit, but I'm definitely not finished. I still have a lot more to buy. So it's kind of today or next week, because is it tomorrow, or I think starting from tomorrow and into the weekend we're having a heat wave, which is going to be super fun. They are predicting over 44 degrees on Thursday, which is hot, like really hot. Okay, for my American Fahrenheit viewers, let's see what that is. Hey Siri, what is 44 degrees in Fahrenheit? So 44 degrees Celsius is about 111 Fahrenheit. And then on the weekend, on Saturday, they're predicting 46 degrees, and I'm working on Saturday, and our store is like a furnace on hot days because we have a tin roof, so I'm not looking forward to it. Let's see what that is. Hey Siri, what is 46 degrees in Fahrenheit? 46 degrees is 114 Fahrenheit. So I kind of want to get as much done today because I think it's only going to be like early 20s. So it's a little bit more of a bearable day. My parents are also coming home from Queensland today. I don't know when they're going to get here, but they're coming home today. And also it is my oldest nephew, Caleb. It is his formal, or like, what do you call it? Like, it's not a prom, it's like a farewell dinner that they do for the end of like primary school, because he's going into high school next year. So we have that later on this afternoon. So it's kind of a busy day. Every day this week from today something's going on until Monday. So it's a busy week, but anyway, we aren't going to get anywhere just sitting here chatting in the driveway. So let's go and get the day started, and hopefully it's some sort of a productive one. Fingers crossed. I also forgot to add, somewhere in between all of that, I need to edit the vlog from yesterday. Graham and I built the Millennium Falcon cookie thing. We totally nailed it. It looks exactly like it does on the box. Didn't take us very long, so it's not going to be as long a video as the one that I had to edit yesterday. The one where I did crafts with Graham, it took me over 4 hours to edit. Definitely don't think it's going to take me that long to edit this one, but still, I gotta find time for it. So let's go and get things done so I can get that done. Score for the person with the little car. I've just literally driven around the shopping centre car park for like 10 minutes trying to find a car park. I've been in places where I shouldn't be, and then I came out of those places because they're all reserved for fancy people, and then I was just about to give up. I'm like, I'm just gonna go home, and then I found this car park right in like a really awkward little corner, and because I'm a little car I can get into it, so yay. And I'm right near the door and everything. It is such a win. I'm so happy. I just had to tell you all. So let's go shopping, because I was seriously about to leave, and then I found this. Yay. So let's go. from my shopping trip and oh my gosh, the shop's busy. Crazy time shopping. And then also driving home. It's just people everywhere. It's crazy. But I'm glad to now be home. It's, what time is it? It's about 1:10 and excuse me. I'm going to edit the vlog from yesterday, get that done, while munching on some dark chocolate Tim Tams. Oh my gosh, a nice treat for the day. But before I do that, I received a lovely little package in my PO box. From a lovely lady named Carol. Hi Carol. Thank you very much for this parcel. You wanted me to let you know that I've received it. I have received it. And I'm going to open it now and see what's in there. Thank you very much for sending me something. If you would like to know where to send me a letter or anything like that, my PO box address is down in the comments below. I'll also pop it up on the screen now if you're interested, but please do not feel pressured to send me anything. It's only there if you want to. There is a lovely little gift in here and it looks handmade. How lovely. I've just inhaled a peanut. I've just had one of the chocolates from our family advent calendar and it was a Snickers. And I've just inhaled a bit of leftover peanut. I'm okay, I'm fine. Anyway, it is a beautiful handmade Scandinavian star. Oh, pardon me, my father is calling me. They're on their way home. Hello?
We just about to turn onto the M2.
Oh, okay.
So we should be home in the next half hour.
Okay, no problem.
Okay,
Alright.
baby.
No, I haven't heard anything.
We're sandwiched in between all these big trucks.
Oh, that's fun.
Anyway, so we'll catch you when we do.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye.
I love my parents. Aren't they great? Anyway, I have so many things just distracting me from this. Joking, parents. It's a lovely handmade folded Scandinavian star. I've been trying to get it to focus, but it's not going to focus. I actually did a little tutorial on these last year on my Vlogmas. I will link it if you'd like to watch it. But this is lovely. I love these colours. It is definitely going to go on the tree. I might actually go do it now. The question is where to put it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move this reindeer guy. Excuse me, mate. I'm going to put it right there. Lovely. Thank you so much for sending this to me, Carol. I love it. And it blends in lovely with our tree. I think it goes very well with our tartan trees. We'll put Mr. Reindeer here. Lovely. I am now going to stop procrastinating and I'm going to start the vlog. And no doubt by the time I get started into it, Mum and Dad will come home. It's always the way. Always the way. It's a little later on in the evening and just had dinner and I have a lovely cup of tea waiting here. Of course, is a Yorkshire tea biscuit brew in my favourite mug at the moment. Of course, it's Christmas. I'm just trying to find what to watch. I'm in the mood to watch something Christmassy. I've tried to say this about 10,000 times and I can't say it because it's a tongue twister. I think I'm going to watch Sugar Rush Christmas on Netflix because I'm in the mood to watch something Christmassy, in the mood to watch something baking related while I do some more of my Christmas embroidery. It's sort of been neglected over the last week or so because of the puzzle and also because of all the crafts I've been doing with Graham. So I'm going to concentrate on this a little bit today. I should be able to finish all of the green. I only have a little bit more to do. And then I might concentrate on maybe the ribbon just to sort of bring it together a bit. It's a bit hard to see like the green because it's so dark. I do kind of wish I made it a lighter green, but that's okay. It is what it is. This afternoon I also had the pleasure to see my nephew Caleb go off to his Year 6 farewell / formal / prom, depending on whatever you're from. It's not really a prom, like I said this morning. It's like a farewell dinner for the Year 6 students who are then leaving the school and going to high school. So he went with one of his friends from school. They went in this really old school red Ford thing. I don't know, I'm a car person, but I'll pop a little picture up of him on the screen. That's Caleb. He is my oldest nephew and he is an absolute gem. He is the best. It was a really nice afternoon seeing all the kids and just being at a milestone in his life, because you know it's a big thing for an Australian kid to go off to his Year 6 farewell. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to drink my tea. I think I'm actually going to get some chocolate out of the fridge. Shh, don't tell anyone. And we'll do some embroidery while watching Sugar Rush Christmas. Happy days. What a happy afternoon. By the way, the puzzle is still here. I got the seal of approval from Mum. She said it was very good. So I might pack that up in the next day or so. But I quite like the ambience it gives the room. A finished Christmas puzzle. I thought before I toddle off to bed, I do just a really quick little haul of a few things that I bought today. I'm not going to show you the Christmas presents I bought, because people that I've bought for watch these videos, so I can't show them to you. I did go into a store called Typo and I got a few things for myself. There are a couple of things that I have been looking for already for next year. I'm in the need for a new calendar, so I got this one because I love Mickey Mouse at the moment, and it's just got sort of old school Mickey in like real sort of situation photos type things. I just thought they were really cool. So this one was on sale. It was 40% off store wide. So this one was usually $10. I think it went down to $5, which is pretty good for a calendar. And it has stickers in it. It's pretty cool. And then another Mickey thing I got was an enamel badge. This one was usually $7.99 and went down to $4.80. And it's just Mickey and it says, "Oh boy." And then I also got a 12-month desk calendar. So it's one of those that has the month on each sort of piece and you change it as the months progress. Obviously, that's what you do with a calendar. I just thought it was really cute. It's a dog and cat theme and it's got plants on it and stuff. It just was really cool. So I will set that up in the new year. So that's my little mini haul. Very happy with my little purchases. Ready for the new year. Before I leave you for the day, we need to do the advent calendar. I haven't done it in the last 2 days. Graham's been doing it, which was a nice little treat for him. But now I'm ready to open door 17. 17 is my lucky number. Oh, lucky number, I don't know. It's the number I always gravitate to because it's my birthday number. Anyway, let's see what's in 17. What can it be? Ooh, what's that? It's a Metla thread. Ooh. Oh. That's cool. Right, so it's a branded thread by Metla. I've never used Metla threads before, so I don't know what they're like. I can't make any comment on whether they're a good thread. I'm assuming they are because it's kind of everywhere. I'm not going to get it to focus, but it's like a red thread because that is the theme, isn't it? It's Christmas. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been a long day full of different things. I've kind of been here and there and doing this and that and just like whoa, riding the roller coaster of the day. So I am so happy it's the end of the day and I am very excited to get into bed and go to sleep. Tomorrow is another busy day. I've already written a list of things that I need to do, and of course I will take you along with me and show you as much as I can. And yeah, the one goal that I have for this week, I don't know when I'm going to do it, but I will do it just as the dogs start barking outside. My goal for this week is to try my very best to do a tutorial on how to make scrunchies. I did show you the scrunchie that my friend at work made me, and yeah, everyone answered yes to a tutorial to make one, so I want to do that sometime this week. Maybe I could do it on Thursday. Thursday's going to be our hot day. 44 degrees. Anyway, we will deal with that when it comes. But until then, thank you all so much for watching today, and I will see you again tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 18. Bye!